Well, unfortunately, this ribbon that I tried in my last video is faded. So I will be using a new ribbon. I had a 3-pack, which I didn't realize I had still, so. All right, new ribbon is in. I will be putting the cover back on. Or I guess I could leave it off for a little bit just so people can see how the inside of this Royal typewriter works. We'll use the letter R. And the ink is in good order. E is what usually goes out first on my typewriter. Even here, the top part of the E is more visible. Putting on the top cover. Snaps back in like that, and we are good to go if I don't jam it up. So yeah, fun stuff.